next to the shuttle?
Yep.
Oh, it's turning right to us. It's coming right to us. Woohoo! It's coming right this way.
Here we are over here.
Wow, awesome.
That's gonna go right here.
Yeah, it looks like maybe just north of here. That way it can go around Plant 42.
Yeah.
And then supposedly it's coming back up this way.
Here, stand right there and I'll take a picture of you there.
Oh, I got this.
Right.
Oh yeah.
It's waving now.
It might go right overhead. That would be so totally awesome. Oh man. We got the right place. We got the right place. This is just amazing. I don't think you could flip them that fast. Wow, this is awesome. Yeah, I put in a big card so I could take a movie.
Yay!
Get an aerial shot. Yep. That is so cool.
When you get goosebumps, that's it. That's so cool.